Alright. It's been a while, so I'm kind of nervous.
Yeah, we haven't filmed the video in like 2 weeks, but here we go.
Alright, so you're gonna need some fondant, some black dye, a juggy cup, some sticks, and cornstarch. That's the key ingredient right there. Alright, so we're gonna start off by dyeing this whole thing gray. You want to add just a little bit because you want to make it gray. That's enough.
Is there an actual gray dye?
I think there is, but they want to rip you off just by black. And for this, you need muscles. If you don't have any, just please go to the gym first. Make some muscle, and then go back and make your cake.
Wow, he's a funny one today, guys.
So we're going to start off by doing the body. Or should we do the head first? We'll do the head first. So you just want to smooth it, like make it like a ball. Just knead it a little bit so we don't have any air bubbles in there. And then after that, when you knead it good, once you knead it good, alright, so now you could do like, make it into a ball. But you see all those lines?
I'm gonna go ahead and focus it.
You can take them off just by like rolling it like this. If you can't do it, tell your mom. She does tortillas. You know?
Te chingaste. No, te chingaste.
If not, then just buy the topper.
Hit me up.
HMU. See how there's no more lines?
Oh, wow. There you go. So smooth, guys. Perfect.
See that? Alright, so now you want to shape the head. You want to shape it? So what we're going to do is, dang. You guys want to see my face? No? Alright, so what we're going to do is shape it. So we really want to do the trunk. So just try and pull it. That way you don't have to like, you want it to be attached, you know? If it's attached, you don't even have to worry about like making a trunk and then putting it on, and because it's hard for it to stick on and shit like that, you know? There's the head. It's hard to hold it up.
It's so cute. And now let's do the side of it.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Alright, so now we're going to do the body. And in order to do the body, you need another piece of fondant. And yeah, check it out. You do the same thing. You want to roll another piece of fondant like this and make it into a ball. Smooth it out real good.
Would it be about the same size?
Yeah, pretty much. You could, I mean, it's up to you. You can make a fat one, skinny one. But in my case, I want to do a skinny one. And you want to go like this. Look. Check it out. Like, I'm only like squeezing it from one side more than the other side. So it's like, you're kind of making like a water drop, a huge ass water drop. You get me? Alright, so see how it's like already coming along. Cool. See that?
Yeah.
So that's the body right there already. Bang. So just knead it real good. You don't have any lines either, you know? Like creases and shit like that. We'll do the creases at the end. Because elephants do have creases. You want to have professional creases now. No. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so cool. You just by looking at it, you can tell right away how thick you should make the legs and arms. I mean, you're not gonna make a thick ass leg that's not gonna go with the body. You get me?
Yeah.
Alright, so now you got your pizza cutter. You cut it as long as you think it's gonna need it. So I would say I'm gonna need his legs to be this size.
Yeah, that's just short.
So okay, so now what we're gonna do is you wanna squeeze it from one side like this. See how it's like you're gonna squeeze it?
Mm-hmm.
That way when you put it on, it's like this. Watch out. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's cute.
But if it's too long, I mean cut it. So I think it's a little bit too long, so I'm gonna cut it a little bit. Bang. You cut that one, you wanna cut this one too. So now, squeeze it again. Like that. You hear me?
Oh, how cute. Okay, I see.
Cool.
Yeah.
And you do the same with the other one. That way it could be the pair. So there it is. Watch out. I'm gonna stand it up so you guys can get an idea already of how it's gonna start looking. So bang, and this bang. See it?
Mm-hmm.
And you can even add the water ya de una vez. That way you can be stuck to it. So what we can do is add a little bit of water in here. Brush it on. Boom. Stuck. Put a little bit of water. And then throw it on. Bang. Stuck. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, cool. So if you have a better idea on how to make an elephant easier, hit me up. Alright, so now we're gonna do the arms. And the same thing, it's pretty much the same. You just gotta measure it. Boom. Measure it. Boom. And you want, I mean, since we have this like kind of like rounded, you want to try and round it too, you know? That way it could like kind of like match. So just go like that. Just don't be squeezing this with like this arm a lot, because then you're gonna mess it up, you know? Just round it the best you can.
And just to kind of go over pricing in regards to toppers like these, like we don't specialize in toppers, so our topper is gonna look nice, of course, but it's not gonna be like a super professional ass topper, like for people who actually like, you know, sculpt and all of that. So our toppers, we do run from like $20 to $30 depending on the topper.
Yeah.
This one I charge $20 per elephant.
And we're making 5 elephants, so that's $100 on your elephants. But as you can see, it's time consuming too, you know?
So make sure you charge whatever you feel like it would be worth and how much money you put into it and stuff like that. Like for us, it's something like we already make our own fondant and everything. So
alright, so I did them already. It's the same thing as the legs, but just a little bit just thinner, whatever, you know. You want to squeeze it from one end, and then let me show you. I'm gonna put some water and throw that shit on again. Bang, bang. Here goes, see? Bang.
so cute. Oh, they look so cute already.
Looks nice, huh?
Yeah. You guys, the ears is gonna make it all.
Yeah, the ears is what.
That's my favorite part.
Alright guys, so we're gonna make the ears up. Alright, so you want to make it a little thick, but not too thick. Because you want to make it thick enough so that you can kind of cut it and have it.
Okay.
See how thick it is right there? It's, I would say like it's like a 3/8. And then that way you could put water and then stick it. You get me?
Oh, okay.
So it can be thick enough. So now what we do is you just cut it to the size of the ear. So I would say you got a heart shape cut out. If you do, I'm sure that could help. Let me cut it. Bang. Maybe cut it in half. And after that, just like kind of like format. If it's too low, just cut it, you know. That. Same thing with this one. Cut off some of it. And you want to keep this thick. This, you want to keep it thick all the time, okay? This, you could thin it out. That way it could be like a flappy ear, you get me?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so you want to just thin it out from one end over here. Just kind of squeeze it. But like I said, don't squeeze on this side because this is gonna go on this thing that's gonna stick to it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And if it helps with that. See how it's like real thin from this side and thick from this side?
Okay, that looks so good already. You guys, I'm so excited. Sorry if this video kind of sucks. I'm a little bit rusty and I'm really tired.
Alright, so you do the same with this one. You wanna thin it out from one end and make it kind of biggish. And try and form it the same, you know? You don't want to have a Biggie Smalls. You know what I'm saying? They don't have to be the exact same, but as you can see.
No.
There it is. So now what you want to do,
Let's put it all together.
throw it on. So first what we're going to do is put the stick in here. So you want to measure it. This is a lollipop stick. So you want to measure it, and you want to like just tantearle, compa. So you just want to
kind of like estimate.
yeah, estimate. I would say like that big. It doesn't have to go through the whole head, just like half of the head. So I'm gonna cut it right there. Stick it in.
Yes.
Fucking dirty ass. So you see that?
Yeah.
Cool.
It already looks so good. It actually didn't take you that long to make it.
Oh, and then for this, for the head, you want to put water like where you're gonna stab it in. You get me? So
just to ensure it sticks.
yeah. So I'm gonna put it in. And I'm gonna show you. See that?
Oh, so cute.
I thought you were gonna do that whole like Simba shit, like oh.
Look at that, guys.
And then you just dust it so we, you know, looks clean.
So we have dusty ass.
And now I'm gonna put the ears on.
Okay.
I'm gonna put the ears on, and then I'm gonna show you guys. Okay? So look, you wanna put water right here, just on the edge. And so that's one. And then put that one right here. You're already excited?
Yeah, it looks so cute already. And
So that's one ear. And then you do the next ear. And close this stuff.
like it's more like this.
Oh, it's smaller.
Yeah, like.
That's fine. So there's my way.
Yeah. Wait, I'm excited for you to turn it on. Oh, it's so cute! Oh my god, I love it, you guys.
That's an elephant right there.
It's perfect.
You like it or no?
I love it.
That ass.
Dead ass.
And then just try and like hold it there, you know. And if you have like, there's actually like no, there's nothing, guys. Sorry.
Look, it already got its creases, babe.
Yeah, those are the creases that I'm talking about. Like, those are nice creases. You get me?
Yeah.
Those are the creases that it has to get.
Look at the nice creases, guys.
And just
Overall, if you look at the elephant, it looks really smooth. It's really cute. And then at that point, you just add whatever decoration you want, like the eyes. You could add blush to it. We're gonna go ahead and add the eyes, and you will be right back.
all right. So it doesn't take that much. All you have to do is you want to open it.
That's what I can focus it. Sorry. There we go.
All right. So you can either have it open or closed. You do the eyes, and to have them closed, all you have to do is do like a little line like this. You get me? And if you want to open, it's just like a little dot. Right? Get yourself a good edible marker. Or you could even pipe it, but
Looks cleaner with edible marker.
let me do that one and I'll show you.
You can even get them at your local cake supply store or Walmart. Yeah. Yay, you guys.
Like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Perfect.
And that's it, you guys. Look at how cute that is.
That's an elephant for you. Or for me. Or for the
So
person.
cute. If you guys like it,
Let me know.
yeah.
Let me know if you like it, or you know,